Almost every drop of fuel to the island comes through this F1 dock. And majority of the commercial side of it is stored at Agate, which we have the largest fuel terminal on island.
We were due for inspection for at least like 5 tanks.
Traditionally, we would take 180 days, sometimes even more.
You need to first, empty a tank if you need to inspect it. Then you have to call in the inspection company to come and do the inspection. Now, all these things may take 1 to 2 months. And then after that, once we have the report, we have to approach all the engineering companies to come and repair the tank. Then you get all the proposals and you have to negotiate with them. Now, mind you, all this while the tank is empty. There's no fuel in the tank and we have stopped revenue. There is no money coming into our bank.
Now, if you don't have that storage capacity available to keep up with the demand, they have to increase their frequency. Instead of every 45 days, they go every 30 days. But a ship of any size has a dedicated capacity. If you don't have that same capacity locally, you're shipping air.
And we started with Gecko, spoke about our problems, we spoke about the situation that we have and the timeline constraints. Everything came into play.
We can do the inspection with the fuel in the tank. Now, when you do that, our revenue doesn't stop, the customer's fuel doesn't get disturbed, and the disturbance is minimal.
The inspection side of it, I didn't have to not even spare a single day of downtime. Only thing we had to focus was on the repair planning.
We know that we need to repair so many locations. We don't know when the customer is going to allow us to take the tank offline, but the moment they do, we're going to be ready.
For me, as an engineer, I can basically analyze the tank or the lifespan of the tank basically by looking at every 3 square inch.
This single plate can last you for 5 years, the other plate on the same tank can last you for 10 years, and we know which plate to be replaced.
Our maintenance team are already planning for what they need to procure, prepare. Our operations team has already got a window, how long it's going to take them to prep that tank. So give or take everything that we do going forward, we've reduced it. I would say 2/3.
Not only that, in the previous traditional way, we have to open the tank whether there is repair or not. In this case, if the inspection says everything is fine, you don't even have to repair the tank. The tank stays online and our revenue doesn't stop, the customer's storage doesn't stop.
I would say the technology kind of blew our minds in terms of how they could perform these inspections while the tank is in service.
We get everything prepared before we actually take the tank offline, thanks to Gecko and the robotics inspection.